Hello, what we have is a light pole here, and there is some underground pipe going towards the other pole on this side, and similarly another pole on that side. Water has entered into the underground pipes, and we are going to attempt how to remove this water. You see, there are two outlets, pipes going towards left and right. We are going to force the water out of this pipe. This is what we are going to do, is to use the blower. Okay. Then we are using the blower on that side. Water is coming out of this side. You see, the water has almost been reduced to small droplets now, but we will continue forcing the air so that all the water and moisture is dried by the forced air.